#1 Jack Ma's successful journey. Jack Ma, the founder of Alibaba Group, is one of the successful figures in the business world. His journey to success began from humble beginnings to becoming one of the leading entrepreneurs in China and around the world. Here is a summary of Jack Ma's journey to success. 1. Early life and education. Jack Ma was born on September 10, 1964 in Hangzhou, China. Despite not coming from a wealthy background, he was diligent in learning English. During his college years, he applied for a job at KFC and was rejected. After graduating, he taught English at a local university. 2. Establishment of Alibaba. In 1999, Jack Ma founded Alibaba, an e-commerce company initially focused on B2B business-to-business trading. The idea for Alibaba arose when Ma encountered difficulties in finding information about Chinese companies online. Alibaba grew rapidly and became one of the largest e-commerce companies in the world. 3. Alibaba's growth. Alibaba continued to expand by launching platforms such as Taobao C2C trading platform and Alipay online payment platform. Alibaba's presence transformed the e-commerce landscape in China and enabled millions of small and medium-sized entrepreneurs to sell their products online. 4. Alibaba IPO. In 2014, Alibaba went public with the largest initial public offering IPO in history, listing its shares on the New York Stock Exchange. The IPO raised approximately $25 billion and placed Jack Ma as one of the richest individuals in China. 5. Global influence. Alibaba not only became a giant in China, but also had a significant global impact. The company expanded its operations into various sectors, including international trade, cloud computing, digital finance, entertainment, and technology. 6. Social involvement and philanthropy. Jack Ma has been actively involved in social activities and philanthropy. In 2014, he established the Jack Ma Foundation, which focuses on education, entrepreneurship, and environmental causes. The foundation has initiated programs to support rural education and has provided assistance in various areas, including healthcare and disaster relief. 7. Introduction of Alibaba to the global market. After achieving success in China, Alibaba expanded its presence to the global market. The company made acquisitions and strategic investments in various countries, including the United States, India, and Europe, to develop its e-commerce ecosystem worldwide. 8. Expansion into the financial sector. Alibaba diversified its operations into the financial sector by launching Ant Financial Services Group, later renamed Ant Group. Ant Group provides digital financial services, such as online payments, loans, and insurance. Their popular service, Alipay, became one of the largest digital payment platforms in the world. 9. Presence in the entertainment and media industry. Jack Ma also expanded Alibaba's presence into the entertainment and media sector. The company established Alibaba Pictures Group, focusing on film production and digital content distribution. They also own popular video streaming platforms in China, such as YouTube. 10. Leadership in public policy. Jack Ma has been involved in various public policy initiatives in China. In 2017, he was appointed as a special advisor to the United Nations on entrepreneurship and digital development. Ma has also supported government programs aimed at improving the quality of education in China. 11. Resignation from Alibaba Group. In September 2019, Jack Ma announced that he would step down from his position as executive chairman of Alibaba Group within a year. His resignation marked a leadership transition in the company, but he remained involved in philanthropic activities and took on the role of a public speaker. 12. Philanthropic activities. Jack Ma has undertaken various philanthropic activities through the Jack Ma Foundation. One of his initiatives is the Rural Teacher Program, which supports education in rural areas of China. He has also been involved in providing medical assistance, environmental protection, and disaster relief in different countries. 13. Belief in entrepreneurship. Jack Ma has always had a strong belief in entrepreneurship and has been an inspiration to many entrepreneurs. He often speaks about the importance of courage, perseverance, and creativity in facing challenges in the business world. 14. Involvement in the technology industry. In addition to Alibaba Group, Jack Ma has been involved in various technology companies and projects. For example, he founded Yunfeng Capital, a venture capital firm focusing on technology investments. He has also been involved in artificial intelligence and financial technology. 15. Role as a motivational speaker. Jack Ma is frequently invited as a speaker at business and motivational events worldwide. He shares his experiences and insights on entrepreneurship, leadership, and innovation. His inspirational speeches have influenced many people and inspired the younger generation to pursue their dreams. 16. Criticism and controversies. Despite being a respected figure, Jack Ma has faced some criticism and controversies. In 2020, the planned IPO event group was abruptly halted by Chinese authorities, leading to speculation about the relationship between Jack Ma and the government. Some of his controversial comments and criticism of the financial system have sparked debates. 17. Awards and recognition. Jack Ma has received various awards and recognition for his contributions to the business and philanthropic fields. He has become one of the richest individuals in the world and has been honored with accolades such as Forbes Asia's Heroes of Philanthropy and CNBC Asia Business Leaders Award. 18. Retirement from the business world. After stepping down from his executive role at Alibaba Group, Jack Ma stated that he wants to focus on philanthropy, education, and fostering entrepreneurship in China. He is committed to supporting the development of the younger generation and inspiring them to achieve success. 19. Influence of Chinese culture and philosophy. Jack Ma often references Chinese culture and philosophy in his views on business and leadership. He incorporates values such as simplicity, humility, and collaboration into his approach to business. This has helped create a unique corporate culture within Alibaba. 20. Education initiatives. Jack Ma has a strong commitment to education. In 2015, he launched the Alibaba Global Leadership Academy, a training program aimed at developing future leaders. He has also invested in online education and supported initiatives to improve access to education in rural areas. 21. Expansion into other technology sectors. In addition to e-commerce, Alibaba has been involved in other technology sectors. They have made investments in technology companies, such as SenseTime Artificial Intelligence, Didi Chuxing Online Transportation Services, and Lazada e-commerce in Southeast Asia. This demonstrates Alibaba's efforts to continuously grow and innovate in various sectors. 22. Influence on the digital economy. Jack Ma's successful journey has had a significant impact on the development of the digital economy in China and worldwide. Alibaba has become a role model for many e-commerce companies and has influenced the way business is conducted through digital platforms. 23. Vision for the future. Jack Ma often speaks about his vision and insights into the future. He talks about the role of technology in transforming the world and emphasizes the importance of being prepared for rapid changes. He also emphasizes innovation, sustainability, and the importance of long-term thinking. 24. Involvement in global events. Jack Ma has participated in various global events and economic forums. He has attended the World Economic Forum and has been a speaker at the Asia-Pacific Economic Cooperation APEC and Bell Forum for Asia. His participation in these events allows him to share insights and perspectives with world leaders and business practitioners. Jack Ma's journey to success is an inspiring story of how perseverance, innovation, and self-belief can lead someone to success. He has created an extraordinary impact in the business, technology, and education sectors, and continues to actively contribute to driving positive change in society.